Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival. So today I'm going to talk to you about what I think is probably the best bug out bag flashlight that I've ever seen. I think this is it's a great little tool. It's a great little tool for EDC, carrying every day, and man, there's just a ton of uses for this little thing. And what we're talking about is the Olight S1 Mini Baton. And there's been a lot of guys that have done videos on this, and as you can see, it's tiny. But that's not the reason that I love it most. I'll tell you what that is here in a second. Of course, you got a lanyard that you can, attach to it if you want, and it has turbo, high, medium, low, and then moon operation. And the turbo output on it is 600 lumens. Okay, it takes one Cr123 battery. It's a rechargeable battery that comes with it, and that is a really cool feature. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. I'll roll in some footage here of this thing at night so you guys can see how it does and stuff like that. But 600 lumens is a very bright light. The high mode is 330 lumens, the medium is 60, the low is 15, and the moon is a half lumen. So you can kind of cycle through these different modes just by a long press there. And to get the turbo mode to come on, all you do is just double click real good when you first turn on. And then for the moonlight mode, you just do a long press right at the beginning there, and then that'll turn it on there too. So pretty cool. Olight has really impressed me with a lot of the lights that they've come out with recently, and this one is no exception. They've kind of changed the way they do their hook. So they have a double style. It's got a double style. I forget what the heck you call these things. Clip, I guess, pants clip. Yeah, I guess that's what it would be. So you can put it, facing up or down, whichever way you prefer, in your pocket, or you could just actually take the clip off altogether and just carry it in your pocket. Now, the one thing, some of the Olights have, like the one that I carry right now as my EDC is the Olight S2 Baton, and you can kind of spin the clip so that it goes in front of the button and keeps it from turning on. And I actually like that a lot. I didn't like that until I got it from a comment in one of the videos I did on the review, and then somebody was like, hey, take that clip, spin it around, it keeps it from coming on in your pocket. Ever since then I've done that, and it has worked great. My battery life has increased because I'm not actually turning it on and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I was going to say, is the downside to this is that this one doesn't have the ability to do that. You can only put the clip on one way, so I don't really care for that, because you can accidentally turn this thing on in your pocket. Now, here's the thing that is so cool about this. So I told you it comes with a rechargeable Cr123. And if you can see that right there, that is a mini USB plug-in. And so what you can do is you can take and plug this thing in. You see the little red light when it comes on the top of it? That's letting you know that it's charging. When it's done, it'll turn green. You can plug this thing in to just a little, battery pack charger. This is a Dragon X. It's got the solar panel on it, and it's also got an LED light on the back. Just a really cool little battery charger for like your bug out bag or something like that. But anyway, you could pair these two together with this light and the rechargeable battery and a solar recharger like this, and you pretty much have infinite light. It's going to be able to keep your flashlight charged up for you. And man, what a small little package. It doesn't have hardly any weight. The resources, it charges by the sun if you use it like that, and so it could go on pretty much indefinitely. I just think this is a great combination for a bug out bag. Just a really cool way to have a very bright light if you need it. And yeah, I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you that real quick. I hope you find it interesting. I will put links to both of those in the description below through our Amazon store. I definitely appreciate it when you guys use that. That definitely helps out the channel a lot. It keeps us from having to do Patreon or anything like that. It doesn't cost you anything more, and it helps us out a ton. I also appreciate it when you click the thumbs up button, when you share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And don't forget to live the 6 Ps. Proper prior preparation prevents poor performance. Stay safe, guys. We'll see you on another video here soon.